Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Landrum HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in landrum.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Landrum homepage. Now click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then choose your appropriate login portal. After selecting your login portal, you will be allowed to enter your credentials. Type in your email address that you have set while creating your account in the first place, and then underneath within the password box, you can enter your account password. After entering both of these details, click on the login button and you will be logged into your account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can scroll down and click on how to change your webmail password option, and you will be allowed to reset your credentials from there. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Landrum HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.